Hello everyone, I am Anuj Nakade and you're watching LiveLaw. We bring you an update from the Supreme Court about a public interest litigation filed for controlling the indiscriminate circulation of child pornography and disturbing videos of gang rape and digital rape or sextortion. One of the bigger concerns brought to society with the advent of the internet has been the use of information technology for sexual exploitation using digital media. In some really horrid cases, the sexual exploitation of children using digital media. While the IT Act of 2000 does criminalize child pornography or publication of any pornography altogether, the circulation of these videos remains a major concern, given the gravity of damage it may cause to society. The Supreme Court had initiated the Suo Motu PIL in 2015 in light of a letter sent by a non-government organization named Prajwala to the then CJI H.L. Dattu. In March of 2017, all parties agreed with the court to constitute a committee to assist and advise the court on this issue. The committee was formed on recommendations of the central government and included the Additional Secretary of the Ministry of Information and Technology, the Director General of the Computer Emergency Response Team or CERT, the Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Home Affairs, and along with the representatives from social media and digital platform intermediaries such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Google. The committee also consisted of the petitioner NGO and advocate N.S. Nappanai, who was appointed amicus curiae by the court. The court regularly monitored the attempts of the committee to resolve the issues from time to time. On Tuesday, the 1st of August, a division bench of Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice Vikram Nath heard the matter. Advocate Aparna Bhatt, while appearing for the petitioner, submitted that some legal issues had to be addressed and some orders from the court may be necessary for their resolution. She submitted that the issues of non-compliance by the intermediaries still exist. She informed the court that the ministry had asked the intermediaries such as Facebook or WhatsApp to ensure that for certain explicit content being searched on their platforms, it should not have the autocomplete, and that a warning would be issued when the person searches for such content. She submitted that the intermediaries are yet to comply with this. She pointed out that if one were to search for child porn on Google, a warning is given only on their all section, but the other verticals on the same page, like under videos or images, there is no such warning. She also stated that Facebook continues to have the same problem. She also informed the court that WhatsApp was asked to have an in-app monitoring button, but if you use that button, then no response is generated. Upon hearing this, Justice Vikram Nath asked the intermediaries, quote, "You have the technology to delete such videos. How are they still available? You are capable of doing it and you are not doing it." Referring to videos of the Manipur violence, the petitioner submitted that the explicit videos have surfaced online of which the Supreme Court has taken cognizance. She argued that the filters on these platforms should not have allowed for such video to surface and be on the feed for such a long time. Her exact words were, and I quote, "They were being circulated. Circulation was possible. If these filters were actually of good quality, those videos would not have surfaced." Advocate N.S. Nappanai, the amicus curiae appointed by the court in this matter, recommended that the issue can be solved by ensuring, and I quote, "that there is a methodology for reports that are given to be responded to, so that the complainant can know whether WhatsApp has taken action, and then there is no reason to burden the police system or the court system. If the action is not taken, that is when they have to come to the court." Senior advocate Datar, appearing for Meta, previously Facebook, stated that it is, quote, "unfortunate that after 14 meetings and calling it a non-adversarial litigation, the counsel for the petitioner is making these submissions before the court." He said, quote, "It is not correct to say that we are not taking action. We have been taking extensive action." He explained to the court that except for a few technical aspects, there was compliance on most issues. Explaining the steps taken by Meta to comply with the directions to the intermediaries, he told the court, and I quote, "We have set up a grievance committee. We are using artificial intelligence to identify child pornography and it is being immediately stopped." He also submitted that in India, approximately 99% of such explicit content has been acted on by Meta before it was even reported. He further suggested that all further non-compliance be monitored by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Justice Gavai in this regard remarked, and I quote, "It would have been a different matter if there was no will on their part, but the report itself shows that they have will, but there might be certain things beyond their control. Let the government examine this. The government is there to monitor. At the end of the proceedings, Supreme Court observed that there has been substantial progress to resolve the fundamental issues and that there is no need for the Supreme Court to monitor this issue as, and I quote, various technical concerns are involved which could not be monitored by the court. The court said that if there is any non-compliance by any of the parties, then the Union of India will take the aspects put forth in this case and attempt to resolve the issues. And if the issues still remain unresolved, then the parties can approach the courts. Do you think sufficient steps are being taken by the Union government and the intermediaries to address the issue? Let us know what you think about it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and visit www.livelaw.in for more details on the case. If you like the work we do on this channel, consider supporting us by becoming a member for only ₹89 per month, or you can donate the amount of your choice through the thanks button below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.